Inverter.
Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of the project is Deep Rating and Reading Neural Network for Item Recommendation. And the abstract of the project is Orientated recommendation has recently been proposed to address the issue of finding the most suitable user of certain item so as to maximize the revenue of its manufacturer with limited advertising budget. A recommendation system generates a compiled list of items in which a user might be interested in the reciprocity of their current selection of items. A product recommendation is basically a filtering system that seeks to predict and show the item that a user would like to purchase. It may not be entirely accurate, but if it shows you what you like, then it is doing its job right. It expands user suggestion with any disturbance of monotony, and it does not recommend items that the user already knows. In this process, we proposed a popularity-based recommendation by using collaborative filtering. The k-nearest neighborhood single-value decompositioning algorithm is used to predict and recommend the popularity-based recommendation based on user ID and ratings, and it will predict the result based on root mean square error and cross validation root mean square error. And the flow diagram of the project is: first we need to start the program and select the electronic rating dataset, then load the dataset, and then it update into pre-processing method. In pre-processing method, we need to check the missing values and NA values. If it is contains any missing value or NA value in our dataset, we need to replace the value into unique value of 0. Then it will apply into splitting. In splitting, we have to split our dataset into training dataset and testing dataset. Then we have to move into the popularity based recommendation and collaborative filter based recommendation. In popularity based recommendation, we can directly check the rating popularity based items. In collaborative method, they have used it to set up machine learning algorithm, singular value decomposition and k-nearest neighbor algorithm. The collaborative filter is used to find the similar users or item and multiple ways to calculate rating based on rating of similar users. SVD, which is used to factorize the real or complex matrix, and k-nearest algorithm to find the cluster of similar users based on common item ratings and make prediction using average rating. Then it will generate the result in basis of root mean square error and cross validation root mean square error. Then it will finally recommend the popularity based products based on user ID. I am going to run my project in Anaconda Navigator Spider IDE. Our program was running successfully, and this is the sample data of our dataset. And the total number of rows is 1,25,871 rows. And then now the timestamp column, without timestamp column, the total number of column is 3, like user ID, product ID, and rating. And in that we are going to check the missing values and NA values. It will source the 0, so there is no missing values and null values in our data set. And we have to describe about the rating data set. In that we have to find the count value, mean value, standard value, minimum value, 25 to maximum value. And the total unique user of our dataset is 1540, and your total unique product is 40,190. And this is the rating category based on products. This is also same as the rating based of the product. And this is the rating counts based on the product and user ID. And this is also rating count. And this is the popularity based recommendation, like users ranking products for 2 user IDs. And in that we have to use 2 user ID, like ANTN661S4L7WG9, and also this another user ID. In that we have to shows the top 5 product recommendation based on the user ID. And in that we have to apply the collaborative filtering. Collaborative filtering we are using KNN algorithm and speed algorithm. And the KNN algorithm root mean square error is 1.0417 and the predicted root mean square is also 1.042 and the cross validation root mean square error is 1.036. And this is the user based recommendation of the KNN algorithm, like the top 5 products based on the user recommendation of first user and second user. And this is the SVD algorithm. The SVD algorithm root mean square error is 99.18, 0.9818, and cross validation data is of root mean square error is 0.983. And the user ID based recommendation using SVD algorithm, like the top 5 products. And these are the computation of this our iteration of our algorithms. And these are all the variables that we are using in our data set.